You've done this. You type a question and hit send. A few seconds later, an answer appears, word by word by word. It feels like someone is on the other side. There isn't. So what is on the other side? Let's follow your message. Slow it down. First, your sentence is chopped into small pieces. Then every piece becomes numbers, because here's the secret. The machine cannot read words at all. It only understands numbers. So your question enters the machine as a river of numbers. Inside, the machine plays one simple game. Guess the next word? Why is it so good at guessing? Because it has read almost everything humans ever wrote. Billions of pages. It picks a likely word and sends it to your screen. Then it guesses the next word, and the next. That word by word typing you see? That's the machine guessing, live in front of you. Now, ask it to draw. It starts with random dots, pure mess. Then, step by step, it moves the dots toward your words. Less mess, more cat. And a brand new picture lands in your chat, one that never existed before. So there's no little person inside. It turns your words into numbers, guesses what comes next, and turns the numbers back into words and pictures. And because it guesses, it can be competently wrong. Remember that. It learned all this from us, from everything we ever wrote and posted. That's AI, the world's best guessing machine. And now, you know what's behind the screen.